position. Then the back button and this home button. The back button in 3 seconds and same time press it on in OK button. So let's watch. 1, 2, 3. You will get the message: vehicle data, dynamometer test, brake test, brake pad replacement, acid flush. Then you come back, make down brake pad replacement, make OK. Continuator not fulfilled. Try with OK, cancel with back. Because what problem? Now we are already on handbrake. So first we have to release the handbrake. Make sure first we have to release the handbrake. So make it ignition on. Release the handbrake first. Off the ignition. Then again you have to come back. Ignition first position. Same like before. Back button and OK button. Back button 3 seconds and same time OK button. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You see, again comes same. Go down. Brake pad replacement. Then OK. See, now you to see, move to fitting position with OK. So it's OK. Now brake pad is releasing. You will get same. Now already release the handbrake. Now you can off. You can change the brake pads. So after finishing brake pad, you come back. Again, ignition, make it on. It will be direct. It will show fitting position reached to OK. Because everything is finished. Now you make to OK. It will be automatic fit setting. Fitting position has been exceeded. Confirm with OK. Now you can test to handbrake is working or no. Yes, handbrake is working. You can see it here. Okay, that means job is done. Make it off. Thanks for watching how to release the handbrake. Please like, subscribe. Like, subscribe. If you have any comment, write it down. Thank you so much. Bye bye.